first step and the most important step is getting everything unkinked. I'm trying to make it a business, you know. That's the American dream, isn't it? Have a business, be successful. I don't need to shoot myself in the foot.
How much were these glasses?
I think I paid $120 or $150, somewhere in there.
First time using them?
Yep, first time using them.
That's cool though, they're sunglasses too. I thought they were going to be like just regular glasses.
No, I made sure to get the sunglasses. So, let me just try triple knot, triple square knot. And this is the weight. So.
Actually, the weight's right here.
Oh yeah? Oh yeah, the bag.
Rocks in here?
Well, I don't know if you're gonna tie that on.
Huh?
Yeah. I don't really think so. Well, shit, we'll see. We'll see if I can get this branch out easily or not. Here, you got the weight. Yeah, this comes out real easy. Alright, and you just, for the people on YouTube, we packed it full of rocks. This thing's supposed to have a microphone. Oh, so close. This is the fun part. It's like sandbag for a tree.
Like cornhole.
Yeah, dude. Yep. That'll do.
It's coming.
It's a big one. A big lopper fish. Yeah. So yeah, if you just want to pull it through, it looks like we're going to have to cut through a little branch and then we'll be onto that bigger branch that we wanted to cut off. And also